Howdy, cowpokes. I'm over here at Home Depot again. That's one, four. Invalid. That's weird. So I finally got my order from Home Depot. You can see it's aircraft cable. It's 50 feet of it. And what I'm going to do with this, all that aircraft cable is going to go around the catalytic converter so that I'm going to make a cat cage around it. If they try to saw through the cable, it'll screw up the saw, and then I'll have an alarm on it too. So that'll be good. Now let's go back into Home Depot again, and I'm going to look for some good plywood or something like that and foam boards right now. Well, I think I gotta wait on Home Depot because I really wanted to get the sealant for my windows, but they don't have it in a big caulking tube because I wanted Permatex clear sealant for my windows. And also, if I don't do the windows, I can't put up the wood on the ceiling and stuff like that, or the walls. I think Saturday is going to be the big day up in Fernwood because I know Friday my solar panels are going to come up. You know what? I should have looked in there for the actual roof racks that I want to look for. Maybe we'll head over to Lowe's right now. Whenever I walk through a Lowe's, I feel like I'm in bizarre land because I'm always expecting like a Home Depot layout. But let's see if we can find those racks. I came down where there's truck boxes now, and ooh, there's the racks. See, they said they were low on stock. I would say they're not that low since I see at least 4 or 5 boxes there. I guess we're gonna go for that rack right there and try it out. I wonder if it says the bolts on the outside. It does say shipping weight 31 pounds. And I'm telling you, I thought it was heavier. I must be getting old. All right, let's open this bad boy up and see what we have here. Because one thing I got to do is see the bolts on the inside. So I want to open it up out here so I'm not making a big mess outside or inside the store. All right, these are the bolts that they were talking about. These might be difficult to find, like these long ones. The short ones not, but I can see, I think the long ones are for just the bits here that go up on the sides, or the poles that go through. Be a lot easier if I could just look at these. See, and then these, those are the ladder stabilizers. We're not going to use the ladder stabilizers. And we see the nuts. These are looking like, I don't know if they're 1/4 inch or not. I guess the only way to check is if we open it up. But the bigger ones, you know, like, again, I think the smaller ones tighten, the other ones we can get away with for a little while. So let's open up one of these bolts here and we'll take that into the store. Absolute pain in the ass. One of the things, it cost me like $20.30 for the hardware for the racks. That was a pain in the ass. The other thing that happened was I had to run back and forth and take pictures of where I got all the bolts and the nuts from, and like back and forth. So I had pictures of all those, but yeah, that sucked. So now I'm going back in the van. I'm gonna drive it somewhere else. So here's the dealie. I'm gonna try to cool down the van. I'm gonna drive it to a parking spot. I think I'm just gonna relax for the day. I might go to a bar or something, get a couple drinks. It is just so humid out here right now. You can see me glossy right now, like I don't know what's going on. But I appreciate you guys watching my journey today. I just want to keep you guys updated. Remember, subscribe, like, comment. I appreciate it all.